Por un tiempo, por un año. Sí. Todos los fines de semana. De donde ellos viven, que es en Jutepec, como una montañita, es un pueblito que se está formando, pero digo, acá sí es el mismo pueblo.
We have an envelope. In our envelope, we have
Está todo, es un pueblito que se está formando apenas.
the cards
Lo vamos a invitar
have
para
a
que vayamos
sentence.
un
We
día,
are
nosotros
going
siempre
to
vamos.
the sentence. Uriel, be quiet. We are going to put our sentence in order, please. Aaron, put your sentence in order. Very quickly. Aaron. Cheche. Okay. Ready? We are going to read our sentence. I have here, this is a circle. And you, Lisa,
I play video games.
okay.
I don't write real. This is a rectangle.
Very good.
I am angry.
Very good.
I play football. The firefighters work in a fire station.
Very good.
My mother is happy.
Very good.
My name is.
Very good.
I like cookies.
Very good.
I like chocolate.
Excellent.
I am that.